Doing public art is something that I prefer because I really like the idea of anybody being able to come up and look at it. To be able to do this piece and it be a public piece was really something that I was happy about. My name is Ty Juvinel. I'm a Tulalip Tribal member. I'm a Coast Salish artist. This sculpture symbolizes my people, mainly our fishermen and our way of life and how we always sustained ourselves out the water. So in the design you can see the oyster, then below that a crab, and then across from the crab is a sockeye, and then an octopus holding a geoduck. And then to the left of that is a rock cod. Then on the very bottom is a king salmon. Fishing is extremely important to Indigenous communities, especially in Washington. And when it comes to fishing in Tulalip, it's a huge part of who we are. We were one of the first hatcheries in Washington State, and back in the 80s when our people advocated for it. Yeah, like I've had this design for almost a decade. I knew I wanted to make it a larger format. I knew I didn't want it to be smaller because I wanted all the different designs to be large. So I knew I wanted this sculpture to be larger so all the details could come through.